All right, guys, so right in front of us, we have JUKI's cylinder bed walking foot machine. This is one of their series for cylinder bed walking foots. We have a DSC-246. Okay, this is made in Japan. And if you notice here between all the other cylinder arms, this is a side load bobbin. Okay, side load bobbin. The 246 is a bigger bobbin. The 245 is a smaller bobbin. Okay, diameter of the arm is just about the same. And great for your binding projects, any item that has a very small diameter that you have to get around. Most cylinder beds, they have the bigger, wider arm, which makes it difficult to do those types of projects. Okay, so really this is a great binding machine with any binding folder. It's a solid machine right off the bat. All the presser foots, they use the Japan class presser foots and not the European. Okay, but the highlight of this one, very durable machine. It's a Japan-made machine, Japan-style feet, and great for binding and any type of cylindrical garments. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Great machine, one of my favorites.